Make they make New Year resolutions like every bro. Do this instead. First off, Happy New Year. Although it becomes natural after, like a month or two, and the year just isn't as inspiring or happy as it was when it began. And everybody was all thrilled. A lie? Like a lie or a lie? Okay, so like who wait here we never hear about New Year's resolutions start? I know, right? Let me put it to you this way. Whatever the case may be, it'll be best you write it down because as I dey talk plus you write is attire like then use me do mop. The only reason why I am delivering as I am is because I have written everything that I'm going to say, do, when, and how. So it make like it be, very easy to do. Some people today make noise for the outside there. It bore me keke. I get that stone somebody plus the camera and things, but Charlie, I mean. Anyways, so you write them down, I'll be better. But that one stuff will be the ish. The resolutions are fine. It's the timing that's kind of the problem. You spy. New Year come, no, everyone acts like the whole world is on reset mode and hashtag New Year is the right time or the best time to set goals and new goals. Like say the whole world is on social media app where New Year be the time it is trend. This minutes cry why? It's cool as are most trends, but the fact that it's trendy doesn't mean it's for everyone. Follow me carefully, because I've seen people make new resolutions that has ruined their relationships, their health, and their wealth. Sometimes the whole thing make like some competition be. Then you imagine say Sarkodie then Shatawale decide say, oh, okay, we they can't twerk. Yeah, that'll be something to see. Sack Shack twerk challenge. Oh me, I know who go. You see how the idea alone they be. Trends are fun. And when everyone is on, like a trend stream, it feels good because you feel like you're part of something until you realize it's not working for you. And then you start feeling miserable. Now, I'm relating the whole idea of New Year resolutions with twerking. If I, Shaq, and Sack decide to twerk, hey, what a challenge. I want you to write in the comments who you think will win. Me, I know say I go chop last. My body be straight like nail, hammer. Then but it's in waist, and the situation surrounding or inside my waist may not be the same as yours. So if you're going to twerk or if it's going to be some kind of challenge, it's better you start like way before it becomes a trend. But these people still dey make noise, meaning you prepare way before time. Okay, enough with the social media references and the twerking. Yeah, I know you guys they love that kind of talk. In summary, most people who follow the New Year's trend of making resolutions, whether they say it out loud or not, are directly or indirectly comparing themselves to and with others. And that's the reason why some of us get discouraged when we realize, hey, this guy's resolutions seem to be challenge. He force, he succeed. Yeah. What me, I still there here. Well, that level some, you see. And it's wrong. New Year resolutions. Easiest way to get discouraged. You day plus who then who. So if you can say, yeah, as we all we talk say resolutions, that could be the best time say make you make. It go shock you like lightning. The truth be say, we're not the same, and our strengths and weaknesses are peculiar to us. So are our outputs. So rather than just set New Year's resolution because it seems trendy or everybody's doing it and you want to, write them down. Set goals you hope to achieve and track your progress comparing yourself yesterday to yourself today. And that day can be any day. No pressure, no comparing, no racing, be speed. This minutes, be race. Okay. Now all these won't make any sense if you're not setting any goals for yourself. And it doesn't have to be some super goal, be like Charlie, I for make 80 billion. Nah, they beg. Relax, okay? But all what I talk no they mean say go fit make resolutions, especially when the year begins. And consider your strengths and weaknesses whilst you make them. That's why it's important to write it down. So you the rep, and they won't make 80 billion. With business you get, you back. All right, I love you all. Make the best of yourself as best works for you. Now I forgot to own these people because of today. I don't know what they wrong them. It make no sense.
Soya'S identified with me finding you.